This island is known for its crystal clear blue waters. And this island isn't packed with tourists like Santorini or Mykonos. This, my friends, is Corfu. Really early day again because we're catching the first ferry out from Saran to Corfu. It's a 6 a.m. boat. There's a 1 hour time difference, so when we land it's gonna be 8 because it's only a 1 hour ferry ride. Made it to Greece just off the boat. Make sure you have your passports if you're doing the Albania-Greece trip because it's not a part of the EU. First thing we're noticing though is that it's still pretty expensive here, just like the other islands. So one spot was selling euros for 9 euros, which is actually really insane. There's not really too much to see in the old town. It's just like little European streets, kind of like most other cities you would see, especially in Greece. But the main part of this island is all about the water. When in Greece, you have to get a spina copita, so I got a cheese pie. Let's give it a try. So the next thing we're doing is we rented a boat and we got it for all 8 of us. We just got a boat rental for the entire day. And the price for getting a boat is 190 euros plus the price of gas. Boat rentals are usually from the main city of Corfu, but once you get the boat, the best area to check out first is Ipsos Beach and Barbate Beach. On the way, the views of the island are stunning. So many mountains and also random islands in the water. The best part of having the boat though is just having the freedom to dock anywhere, put down the anchor, and just jump off and swim around. Also, driving the boat around is really fun too. Another great thing about having a boat is just having the ability to find these private beaches anywhere. You'll find like a random dock or a small little beach and you can just go there and just swim or just enjoy the beach there. Most rental places close around 5 p.m. because that's when the waves start getting much bigger and it's a much bumpier ride. For dinner, we went to a nice spot in the city and just got a classic Greek souvlaki. Now we're making our way back to Albania with the big ferry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe because it really helps me out, and I'll see you again in the next one.